Here's important information from the Health Law Firm.
Are you a physician, nurse, or other health professional who has been accused of drug diversion or being impaired because of drug or alcohol use? Have you been reported to the state licensing board or to your employer, who has now reported you to the Professionals Resource Network, PRN, the Intervention Project for Nurses, IPN, the State Peer Assistance Program, or the Providers Health Program? Here are a few tips to follow before and during your upcoming evaluation. Stop drinking alcoholic beverages immediately upon learning that you are facing scrutiny. In almost every evaluation, you will be required to provide a urine sample, a blood sample, and a nail or hair sample for drug screening as part of the evaluation. These tests can show evidence of the use of drugs or alcohol for weeks or months afterwards. Be on time for your evaluation. Being late for a significant career-affecting event such as this may be a sign of a real problem or lack of adequate judgment. Do not take tranquilizers, mood stabilizers, or other medications prior to your appointment. Answer any questions the evaluator asks briefly and concisely. Do not volunteer information not requested. There are many adverse facts in your past that can hurt you if you disclose these voluntarily to the evaluator. George Indest, a board-certified health lawyer, warns there is no confidentiality in these evaluations. Nothing you tell the evaluator is confidential. It can later be used against you. In addition, George Indest says, you should also know that there are a number of red flags that psychologists and psychiatrists use against you to determine that you have a significant problem that requires treatment and long-term monitoring. One example is if you have a relative with an addiction, an alcohol problem, or a mental disorder. Coming from a broken home is another. Do not wait until action has been taken against you to consult with an experienced attorney in these matters. The lawyers of the Health Law Firm are experienced in both formal and informal administrative hearings and in representing physicians in investigations and at all professional board hearings. Before going for an evaluation, consult with an experienced healthcare attorney who is familiar with matters and the licensing issues for your profession. Contact the Health Law Firm.
For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com.